Well, the Federal Department of Health recently released a troubling study about nursing home care. They found that 1 in every 5 patients suffer serious injuries while they're in a nursing home, and that a lot of them should have been prevented. Attorney Jim Higgins with the Higgins Firm recently stopped by with more. Jim, welcome back to the show.
Thank you.
You know, we have talked with you many times on the show about nursing home neglect cases, and you guys have handled so many of these. Y'all are very experienced with them. So this new government study, tell us a little bit about it and whether this result surprised you.
Yeah, the government did a recent study on all the Medicare, Medicaid patients and found that 1 in 5 patients that go into a nursing home or residents under the Medicare program are going to suffer some type of accident, injury, might be a medication error, fall, improper care, dehydration, things like that. The part of it that was disturbing to me is that it went on to say that 60% of those were preventable, or clearly or easily preventable.
Wow.
And you know, it's unsettling when you read something. And I guess, you know, the initial question was, does it surprise me? And I guess it didn't, you know, and that's unfortunate. Until the system kind of changes a little bit, you know, we have so many of these cases in our nursing home neglect division. And so to read it, I guess it didn't surprise me, but it kind of affirmed that I know that there's a problem. There's some great homes out there. There's some great care, but there's also a lot of homes where there isn't proper care, and there's a lot of neglect.
And since you handle so many of these cases, you really dig into the trenches of why this stuff is happening. So in your opinion, why do you think these are so common?
Well, and you know, from what we found, and I'll tell you that there's, you know, accidents happen. Accidents happen in my house. Accident happens at someone's office, on the roadway. They happen in nursing homes, and sometimes it's just an accident. But what we found is that so many of these cases, the reason they happen is because it's not really an accident. It's improper care. You know, we just finished a big case where someone was given about 10 times the dose of medicine that they needed to. You know, people kept coming in and giving the same dose of medicine until it was too late. And what we found out, it really wasn't a simple error as much as it was that home didn't have enough care. There weren't enough qualified people to care for the residents, so they're all running around and aren't really able to take their time to provide the simple things someone needs. If you get enough staff there and they're well trained, then those stats go down. So I really think that's the cause of that. In nursing homes that aren't great, they don't hire enough staff and they don't get enough well-trained staff. So the residents suffer from that.
Makes sense. So when should someone contact your office if they find themselves in a position like this, or they know of someone in a nursing home?
Sure, they're welcome to call us anytime. You know, they not every case needs a law firm. Not every case needs a law firm like ours that does this kind of bigger nursing home neglect cases. But we don't mind talking to people. They're welcome to call us anytime.
All right, Jim. Well, thanks for your help.
Thank you.
The Higgins Firm is serving Tennessee. Give them a call at 615-924-8500 or go to higginsfirm.com.